Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a watch list on the Webull application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the watch list button down below marked with the heart icon on the left side corner, and then click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on add list down below marked with the plus icon. Then you should type in the name of your watch list. Then select the currency. You can choose from these options, so tap on the relevant one and then click on the done button at the bottom of the screen to finalize the process of creating your watch list that you can find here. You will be able to find it in the menu section below the my watch list subheading. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.